Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dudua TV Radio. I want to just highlight something that has happened to me on Google, and I want us all to be aware. Don't make the mistake of believing that YouTube have your best interest at heart. They don't. It's a business. They don't really care about what you think or are interested in your development. They will tell you in words that they care, but the proof of the pudding is in the eating. I have got a personal experience of this. The platform that you're seeing right now, that you're going to be seeing this on, has got 10,000 followers. Let me illustrate that point. If I can find the video for you, let's see if I can find the screenshot for you. Here we go. There you go. So as I'm talking to you, you will see that there. Hang on. Oh, you can't. Okay. I'll do it this way. So you can see now. You see it's got 10,000 followers on there. 10,000 followers. Now, back in 2020, YouTube, there was a video which YouTube flagged. When they flagged the video, I thought, okay, fine, I'll take it away. I'm not going to appeal. I'm just going to delete it. On deleting the video, unbeknownst to me, I wasn't, conversant with it. I just thought I didn't want any problems. I wanted to really just get rid of it. I'm not going to argue so that we can continue. As soon as I deleted the video, they decided right, that's it. They were going to demonetize my platform. I didn't fully understand what was going on because I was like, and that's the first offense I've done that. It's not the first, this is the first time I've actually, done that. I didn't fully understand. So I explained to them, I called them since 2020. We're in 2023. Now they said, they were going to, I should go for a training. They had a training course that was expiring right about the 24th of December. So at the end of that 24th of December, I now said, okay, let me go and get in touch with them to try and monetize their platform. Guess what they told me? Let us read it. Shall we? So, based on what I told you now, they said, I appreciate understanding institution acknowledging that the inability to file an appeal due to the deletion of your video means you cannot re-monetize. They have the information. I even told them, look, I have the video. I can send it back to you so you can actually. They said, no. That's got to be that. Since it's not there, that's our system. That's our rules. As a first offense or for first mistake, and I was only trying to comply with them. But YouTube, in their infinite, wisdom, decided to demonetize 10,000, and it was growing. 10,000 subscribers. At the time, it was about 9,000. People kept still following me. So the reason why I'm saying that now is for people to really understand that where we are right now, as far as I'm concerned now, I'm going to leave the platform there as it is. It's not going to do anything for us. They're not going to change it. Don't make the mistake. To my cost, I really thought that YouTube had our interest as a platform at heart, that they will help us grow. And if we made a genuine mistake, which obviously this was, to delete when they flagged it, I deleted it. I didn't even appeal. I just deleted it. Oh, because you've deleted it, we are going to demonetize you. That is very, very cruel. And you see what they said here. I appreciate your understanding of the situation. Acknowledging the inability to file an appeal due to the deletion of your video means you cannot re-monetize. Regrettably, on our end, remonetizing your channel is not within the realm of possibility. But yet, at the same time, they are telling me they want you to help you grow your platform. I was following their rules in not putting anything that was going to break their rules. And the video I showed was a video of a sound of people there was an attack in Abuja where terrorists came and the people went in the prison to free them, free the so-called people that they wanted to free from the jail illegally. And all you could hear was a gunshot. There was no violence on screen. That was all I did. They flagged it. When they flagged it, I said, okay, I'll take the video down. I'm not going to argue because I wanted to keep it. And as I did that, the very thing I did to make sure I kept in was the very thing they used to demonetize the platform. So if you're watching this and you're on Oduduwa TV Radio, you're watching this, please share, and share. Help us grow the platform. So I'm saying that in English now, and I'm gonna say it in Yoruba so that people can, those of you who are watching me on Oduduwa TV Radio 2, and you're on Oduduwa TV Radio right now, I really need you to go and subscribe on Oduduwa TV Radio 2. I'll put the link for Oduduwa TV Radio 2 in this broadcast as well, so that way you can go and subscribe there. Help us grow. We are just about 187 followers on there, so we really need to build that up again. We got, this is load us up. I mean, at one point we had over 1 million views, on Oduduwa TV Radio, and that platform was gonna grow, but YouTube decided to be very, very cruel, in my opinion. Make of it what you will, but for me, I find that totally unacceptable. It is wrong. They just wanted to just penalize and make it and wield the power. And this is the cancel. For me, this feels like a cancel culture. Like, oh, we have the power, we can really harm you, we can, and all of that. That's what they do. I'm not the only one that this has happened to, so I'm not surprised. But we will continue. So please, as you're watching, we'd love you to go to Oduduwa TV Radio 2 and subscribe. This is Oduduwa TV Radio, currently 10,000 subscribers. But we're not going to be using that platform. There's no point, because they've demonetized it. And what we need to do, the work we're trying to do, is to actually help our communities on ground by translating and speaking in Yoruba. And they are interfering with that process, obviously. But anyway, so there you have what's happened. We have 10,000 subscribers, so it's not like if you don't see us on that broadcasting on there, it's because they've demonetized, and they've taken away the incentive to really continue to push and do a lot of things on the platform, and that's very, very unacceptable. Regrettably, that's what it is. We may have to, at some point, maybe in the coming months or so, we may actually have to bring this platform down and lose the videos there. But we want to build Oduduwa TV Radio 2. So let me just see if I can get Oduduwa TV Radio 2 for you up, so you can see that as I talk to you. Let me see. 1 second. Okay. Let me see if that works. Will it work? No, you can't see it. Okay. But anyway, so what we will do, I'm going to quickly do this because I really want you to get a feel for what we are going to do here. I need you to help me. We'll just quickly go onto that platform briefly. Sorry about this. Sorry, I do apologize. I know it looks a bit funny when you suddenly see different things going on there. It wasn't my intention, but nonetheless, what we will do, sorry. So we will do this. I want to just quickly go to Oduduwa TV Radio 2 so that you can recognize it when you subscribe to us on YouTube. We really need your support to grow that. Now you see that they've demonetized the 10,000 subscribers, and that's what they've done. We're not gonna. There's no point even arguing with them. Just that's their way. Facebook are doing the same thing. Facebook are deciding that they're not gonna pay us, and it seems to me that they have an issue with us. They have to. Sorry about that. Let me just check something. So we're gonna do this. So what I want you to do, if you look on here, we have only 187 subscribers, as against what we had before on Oduduwa TV Radio, which you all saw before. Is it there? Anyway, you saw the 10,000 subscribers there that we had. So we would like that to grow. So please help us grow it. We really need your support. It's very, very important that we grow it. I mean, the thing is, I'm going to say this in Yoruba now quickly. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ fún gbogbo yín tẹ́ bá ń tẹ̀lé wa lórí Oduduwa TV Radio, lórí Facebook, tẹ́ ń wo platform Oduduwa TV Radio. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ bá wa lọ sórí Oduduwa TV Radio 2. Torí pé kí ni àwọn YouTube wọ́n ti gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé platform Oduduwa TV Radio. A ní 10,000 èèyàn. Àmọ́ wọ́n ní pé wọ́n pariwo pé a play video kan tí àwọn kan à ń gbọ́ ohun ìbọn nínú ẹ̀. Wọ́n á fi èèyàn kankan tán pa àbí nǹkan kan mẹ́ ohun ìbọn lásán lọ́gàn gbọ́. Wọ́n máa gbé wálẹ̀ gbà tán gbé wá ìmọ̀ ní kàkàkà máa wà kúkú bá wọn jiyàn ká kúkú yọ kúrò. bá ṣe yọ báyìí wọ́n máa sọ pé torí pé a ti yọ yẹn o pé àwọn wọn máa gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé ètò wa kí ló dé tí bá ti yọ irọ́ o gbọ́dọ̀ yọ kúrò ọ̀n dá di bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ara ẹ̀ wọ́n dá ọ̀n ṣe monetization fún wa mọ́ wọ́n kàn ń ṣe ojú ayé fún wa ni lójú tèmi ojú ayé pé kẹ má wo àrùn yìí lọ́wọ́ o kìnnìkan o so wọ́n tún wá bí mi pé ṣé nǹkan náà wọ́n lè ṣe fún wa mo ní kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè ṣe fún mi àtẹ̀lé yín fún ọdún méjì so n tí mo fẹ́ fàyọ níbẹ̀ ẹjọ́ àwọn YouTube wọ́n ti gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé platform yẹn o wọn ò lè monetize Odùduwà TV radio ẹ bá wa lọ sórí Odùduwà TV radio tí máa fi hàn yín báyìí ibi báyìí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ ẹ bá wa lọ subscribe síbẹ̀ inú wa dùn tẹ́ bá lè subscribe síbẹ̀ fún wa ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ Facebook YouTube àti Facebook bákan náà làwọn kúkú jọ ń ṣe àmọ́ ẹjọ́ tẹ́ bá ti rí ètò yìí ẹjọ́ máa fẹ́ kẹ́ bá wa lọ subscribe sórí platform tẹ́ ń wò yìí Odùduwà TV radio kẹ́ bá wa subscribe torí àwọn YouTube wọ́n ti gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé platform ti wa Odùduwà TV radio yẹn wọ́n ti gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé inú wa dùn tẹ́ bá lè bá wa subscribe àwọn èèyàn tán lé ní 10,000 wọ́n wà lórí Odùduwà TV radio a fẹ́ kẹ́ bá wa lọ sórí Odùduwà TV radio 2 tẹ́ ń wò yìí kẹ́ bá wa subscribe síbẹ̀ inú wa dùn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀ kú ìrètí ọdún tuntun tá a máa mú yìí o abáwaláyé abáwaláyé o à ṣe pẹ̀lú ayọ̀ àwọn ọdún yìí pẹ̀lú ayọ̀ gbogbo ohun tá a bá yọrí sí dábọ̀ sí ayọrí sí rere ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí Odùduwà TV radio 2 wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo ètò yìí ẹ ṣeun ó dìgbà kan náà ó dàbọ̀.